In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create a messenger group. It is a very simple process. So for this, first of all, we have to open our messenger application. So here we go. Now tap on the pencil icon on the upper right corner. Now tap on create a new group. Tap on this, create a new group. Now from here, select the people that you want to add your group. So I'm gonna select a random people here. And now click next on the upper right corner. And now you have to type your group name, messenger group name. So I'm gonna type in name test. Now click create on the upper right corner, tap on this, and the group has been created. So in this simple process we can easily create a messenger group. And now I'm gonna show you how to set a messenger group picture. So for this, first of all, you have to tap on the info icon on the upper right corner, tap on this info icon. Now simply tap on the three dot on the upper right corner, tap on this three dot, and now tap on change group photo, tap on this, and now tap on choose photo, tap on this, allow. From here, simply you have to select the picture that you want to set your messenger group picture. So I'm gonna select a picture, and now click the arrow icon on the lower right corner, tap on this arrow icon, and now tap on save. So following this simple process, we can easily create a messenger group and set a picture on messenger group. So I hope you understand the full video. If you have benefited from this video, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care.